continues now with Ava-joye Burnett, who explains the Lieutenant Governor took an aerial tour of the destruction. Ava-joye.
Good evening to you. Before I get to that, I want to paint a picture for you of what it looked like as we drove in off of the highway on MD8. It seemed as if house after house had some form of debris or damage, debris in the front yard or damage to the home. Right now, we're at Meadowpeak Elementary School off of MD8. And I spoke with an official here, and he said if you go into the neighborhoods, it's an absolute mess. To make the situation even worse, there are many people who have no electricity on this very hot day. So a few organizations here in the Eastern Shore have donated more than 300 cases of water to help people who are in need. Damages left and right in the Stevensville neighborhood. The powerful overnight storm separated entire walls from their structures and exposed some of the most private interiors of people's homes. This 14-year-old was at home when the storm hit. His mom believes the force of the winds lifted the house from its foundation.
Felt like it was an earthquake at first, but then I felt the house just move, and it was just all of a sudden.
The Lieutenant Governor got a first-hand look at the damages on the ground and in the air. He said the storm took out critical power infrastructure.
On the other side of 50, the power lines, major power lines are down. In some cases, the poles were either uprooted or the metal poles were bent in half.
The Lieutenant Governor also said he's alerted the state's insurance commissioner about the claims that are about to roll in.
Yeah, well, a lot of the trees were actually picked up and thrown, too. The tree that hit the back of our house came from the front of this yard here.
Now, multiple state agencies are here to assist. The State Highway Administration is here trying to clean up debris that may be in roadways, blocking people from going to and fro. And once again, we are here at Meadowpeak Elementary School where people are able to come in. We're seeing cars come in right now to get bottled water and ice because, as we mentioned before, some people have no electricity, and being stuck in a home with no electricity, being able to get 2 bags of free ice and cases of water, that will go a long way on this very hot afternoon. Reporting live on the Eastern Shore, Ava-joye Burnett, WJZ Eyewitness News.